Welcome, family. Welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today, I am bringing you a Dollar General haul. 5 off of 25. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went to Dollar General to do this 5 off of 25, trying to find me a deal on the low, but I did find one on the low because y'all know anything for me up under $10 is on the low. Now, if I get below, I can say 6 or 5, it's on the low for me, okay? That's just me. So let's go ahead and get to this video, and so I can show you all and the prices of what I got. All right, so the Deuce Big is $3. There is some that is $2.85, but I decided to get some men, and they are $3, and there is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. The next thing is the Chere'er. The Chere'er is $3. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching, and this is the 15 count, okay? 15. Let me show you right there. 15 count. I want to let everyone know this is, I did one paper coupon and all of them digital, okay? Then the next thing is the Downy. The Downy, these are, you want to get the one that is the citrus and vanilla bliss, $2 and let's see, 95 cents. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. Now, y'all, all three of these top ones are good fillers when you're doing 5 off of 25, okay? I was in the store trying to figure out what else to put in with this because I wanted to do, use these as my fillers, and then I know I can get a low out of pocket, okay? So then the next thing I got was the Airwicks. Okay, now on my card that I'm using my number. Like I tell y'all, on Saturdays, I mainly use my number, and then I might use my husband's number. But today, I'm just using my number. The Airwicks, they are $5 each, okay? Now, I had 2 digital coupons that was $1.50 for one. Then also, I had, what else did I have? $5 off of 2, okay? So I didn't know which one was going to take. I was looking for the Airwick warmers to scan those to see if, that could have been a low out of pocket, but this store didn't have none of the Airwick warmers. So what I did was I went ahead and got 2 of the warmers. These are, like I said, $5 each. This scent is Cherry and Coconut Paradise Retreat. It seems like it must be a new scent. So I got 2 of those. And the $1.50 came off of these. I think it was these. No. The $5 came out because I had a paper coupon that was buy one, get one free. But y'all, the paper coupon would not scan at all. So they had to manually put it in, which was fine with me. Then I got these 2. And this is vanilla. Let me show you. Vanilla pink papaya. I got 2 of those. I was going to do mismatch, but I just got both of them the same. And I got 2 of those. And the $1.50 a piece came off of each one of these. Yes, I did kind of lose a little bit of money when the $1.50 off of these, but that's all right because I included it in my 5 off of 25. So if anyone has that on their card, if you can find the Airwick warmers, just the warmer itself, just to see if the $1.50 attaches to those, that right there will be a little bit more less out of pocket. But after everything that I paid for, my subtotal was $9.95. Yes, $9.95. Plus, I'm going to submit my Airwicks on Fetch, so I get some money back off of that. So I can get some money back off of that too. So let me show you my receipt. Hold on. These receipts be crazy. All right, so there it is. The Downy, the $2. The Airwick, you see they're both $1.50. And then there is the Airwick, the $5 manufacturer coupon. And then the Purex, $2. And then the big $2 digital came off. And which the big Deuce was a store coupon, Dollar General coupon, okay? So my subtotal was $9.95. Everybody's taxes is different. My total savings was $19. And y'all, look at, we got a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. Now, y'all, Saturday, I probably will not be doing a 5 off of 25 because I have a prior engagement to go to. So I will not I probably won't be doing it. I'm not for sure, but I'll let you all know. If y'all check my community tab, I will let you all know if I'm going to do a 5 off of 25 for Saturday or not, but we'll see. But this right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.